This morning, global health officials warning there are now 11 total cases of the deadly Hantavirus, adding that number could go up as the virus can incubate for 42 days.
Given the long incubation period of the virus, it's possible we might see more cases in the coming weeks.
Here in the U.S., one couple is at Emory University Hospital in Atlanta after one of them started showing symptoms. Emory health officials say neither has tested positive. In Nebraska, one person whom health officials describe as mildly positive but asymptomatic is being held in a specialized biocontainment unit out of an abundance of caution. The 15 others remain at the University of Nebraska Medical Center.
We want to do this in the least restrictive way possible.
Officials say those who have not tested positive or exhibited symptoms will be kept in medical supervision for a few days. After that, they'll be allowed to self-isolate at home. Other countries, including Spain and France, say all patients exposed to the hantavirus will quarantine for the full incubation period. The director of the Nebraska Biocontainment Unit saying yesterday that the exposed patients have the option to stay for the full 42-day period.
And I would encourage that for several reasons. The main one being is that we have the capability of caring for patients.
Meanwhile, some passengers who left the ship earlier being monitored along with those who may have been in close contact with them in multiple states, while officials aim to reassure the public.
What you are seeing is that system work exactly as intended.
Now, more on those questions around that incubation period. The CDC stressing that if passengers decided to leave the hospital before those 42 days are up, they would be escorted home. They would be asked to avoid crowded spaces, limit themselves to essential activities only, and also be asked to wear masks if they do at all go out in public. And again, that option, they say, is only available to people who have shown no symptoms and have only tested negative for the virus. Savannah and Craig.
Maggie, Vespa Force there in Nebraska. Maggie, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.